Here, so get this. I was asked this question by a philosopher recently about the explanation of increasing human population as per Vedic sciences. Science thinks that only human population on the rise. What is the logical reasoning in that? What science doesn't understand is every time all the yugas that transcend to Kali Yuga has the maximum amount of human population, because this is the time where maximum souls visit planet Earth for their final testing phase. Because what can be more illusionary than the period of Kali Yuga, right? This is the period where the test formed by the God, the humans needs to pass, and this is the ultimate test, where people surrounded by Maya have to transcend to a period of spirituality. This is the reason why the humans are increasing, not the souls. Now you may ask where the souls are coming from. The souls are obviously coming from other animal kingdoms. Now why is that? So think it logically. The weight of the planet Earth, including all the beings, mountain, rocks, whatever it may be, is the statistically is the same, right? It's stationary, except few losses from radiation, whatever rockets we guys are sending outer space. Apart from that, the Earth's constant weight is more or less same. There could be a maximum 1% deviation, right? So this is the reasoning that another energy forms are now changing their forms and taking the forms of human life. So this is the major reason why you see human population on the incline, and from 2026 onwards this will become exactly the opposite.